it's Alicia Savings and I'm back with another video, and this is not going to be a coupon video today, but it is going to be a savings video. I've been seeing a lot of DIY Dollar Tree fall decor videos, and I've watched several of them, and I got this idea from another YouTuber. I don't remember their name. I need to go look that up and link their channel in the description box for you guys, but I did see this from another YouTuber and I loved it. So I went out to Dollar Tree, purchased all of these items, obviously besides my supplies here that I already had, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this fall decor. It is so pretty. So let me just go over really quickly the supplies that you're going to need. You're going to need a hot glue gun, extra glue sticks if you'll probably need them, a pair of scissors, and it should be all that I need supply wise. I got from Dollar Tree, and you can get any stuff that you want. Like, you don't have to get these exact like leaves here that I got. Whatever of the items they have out there that you like, you can purchase. So I got these little leaves here, and I don't know if I'm gonna, they're all like just raveled up. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them like this or if I'm gonna just cut off each like little leaf and glue it down. That's how the video I seen was done, but I think I might keep the leaves on this little rope and just kind of wrap it around on the tray. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a minute. And then I got these flowers here, and it's all the same style flower. They all look the same, but they're all just different colors. So I really liked keeping that same theme with the same type of flower, just with the different colors. And you can get any type of flower that you like, any style of flower that you like, or any other things that you like that they have. I did get 2 of these little metal trays here. They were over in the party section. I got 2 of the candle holders, 3 of these flameless candles, and they have them in the off-white or solid white. I decided to go with the off-white. And then I got these 2 little pumpkins here. They're just styrofoam pumpkins with a little flower, and they have a little acorn on them. I thought that was really cute. And they have a bunch of different styles of these that you could pick from. And then I got 2 different ribbons here. This one here is just like gold, and it's got like little pumpkin designs on it. And then I've got this one here that just says fall, Thanksgiving, blessings, feast, happy harvest, family, things like that. And I'm going to take this ribbon and I'm going to wrap it around the center of here, and I'm going to just hot glue it down. The video that I seen, they had some like mesh ribbon, and they used Mod Podge and glued it down to the whole entire length of the candle. I'm going to just put this strip like in the center here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take these ribbons, like I said, wrap them around the center of here, and then I'm going to take some twine and wrap it around and tie a little bow in the front. So I got these 2 different ones because I couldn't decide between the 2 which one I liked best. And I'm trying to decide if I want to do 2 of them with this one and then 1 with that one. Maybe put that one like in the center when I position them on the tray. So I'm going to try that out and see how I like it. If I don't, I can always just go back and take it off and change it out. And then I also purchased these LED leaf lights. And they take 2 AA batteries that I've got in the cabinet over here. And those are going to go on the bottom part of the tray. And I did purchase extra batteries for the candles because I didn't expect that they would last very long. I mean, it did come from Dollar Tree, so, which the batteries came from Dollar Tree as well. So, anyways, I'm going to get right into this video, show you guys how this looks when I get done, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so you see what I've got done so far. I did wrap those ribbons around the candles here. I wrapped that twine around. I decided to just do a bow on the one in the middle. I think this looks really cute instead of having all three of them with a bow. And I like how I done this one differently there. And like I said, they are pre-lit candles and they do light up. You can't see it very well with the flash on my camera, but anyway, so got all three of the candles ready. I took these two candle holders here, flipped them upside down to the candle holder end, and glued them together. Glued this end to this one tray, and then put hot glue on the top of this one and glued this top tray on right here. So this is the look so far. Next, I am going to take the leaves and the flowers here, and I'm going to position them on the bottom part of the tray, and these pumpkins here are also going to be sitting on this bottom tray. So I don't know how many of the flowers or leaves that I'll end up using, but that is where those are going to go, and there's going to be leaves and flowers and all down here. I may put some of the leaves and flowers up here as well. Wasn't originally planning on doing that. And then the lights will go, and I'm just going to kind of wrap them around down here into this bottom section. I'm not going to glue the pumpkins down. I will be gluing the flowers and leaves down, just because whenever it's time to go store these, I want to be able to like wrap these up separately so that they don't get destroyed. And I'm also not going to be gluing the candles down, obviously, because we need to be able to turn them on and off. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far. Alright guys, and here is the completed look. As you guys seen, I was attempting to glue some of the flowers onto the top here in the front, but that was, the flowers were covering up too much of the candle. So I went on and took that off, and I did just put those onto the back here just for that extra bit of color. You can see them through the candles there. And then I glued some little leaves onto the side here. And I did go on and put the batteries in the little lights, and I just ran them inside here and kind of just pushed the wires down underneath the leaves. You see them right there. So I'm going to go on and get this put over into its position where it's going to be sitting in my house, and then I will give you guys a view of what it looks like with the lights on over by my front door. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this for you guys. I absolutely love it. I think it is perfect. I love fall time. It's my favorite time of the year. And also, I did go on and lightly glue those pumpkins down because, as you guys seen throughout the clips, they were not cooperating with sitting still there. I don't know if the leaves were pushing them over or what, but I did go on and just put a little dot of glue on there and glue them pumpkins down. So anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.